A very good morning, children. Welcome to the online session of subject English of 6th class. I hope so. You all are very fine and staying healthy in the present situation. So, in the previous class, we have discussed the B reading poem of the Unit 1. Unit 1 B reading poem. Topic is I want peace. I want peace. So that lesson, that poem is about the shareable experiences of the earth. Shareable experiences of the earth. That means, so in the viewpoint of earth, so how the society and how the community and how the people should be there in the on the earth. So that one we have discussed. So today we shall see about one of the interesting topic about C reading part. About C reading. So what is that C reading means? So already in the first lesson in the A reading you have observed and you have seen the animals unity and animals agreement, harmony, okay, peace. So everything you have seen. So depending upon the other animals, how the animals should be, like that you have seen, and how there should be the unity in the animals you have seen. So finally in that lesson all the animals have been one. Okay, that means the God who the moon has made the animals to succeed in their life, and from that day onwards all the animals started again they started the musical evenings. They have been living very happily together, okay, together with each other, okay. So like that we have seen. So one day, so at the time of all the animals being in happy mood, so one day one of the great one, okay, great one means here the word great one means God. The word great one means God. So one of the great one has landed in the forest and given one of the advice to all the living things, animals and creatures, everything, trees, living things, birds, small creatures and all the animals. So what it was advised means, so within few days or within the next day I will be coming to land on the on your forest, and I will be here. Sorry, I will be looking. I will be observing each and every one's talent. So you have to produce me. You have to offer me the best which you have and which is useful to our life. Like that, this great one has said. So by saying that one, all the animals started preparing themselves. So each and every animal, creatures, birds, trees, all flowers, every creature has started to make preparations on themselves. Okay, so like this every animal started preparing, okay, to appreciate, to praise the great one and to get a gift from the great one. So finally what happened? So like this every animal started this preparation. So we shall see. So what type of climates are there? So whatever the climate is there in the at the time, so the air, so first of all air started to go in the excited mode. So excited means very happy. Excited means very happy. So all the animals. So first of all, the air became in an excited mode. So like that, like this, everything was changed. So all the animals spreaded. spread to oneself, and they started to prepare themselves to to get praises, to get the praises by the great one. So this great one, so this type of lesson, so whatever we are hearing, we are discussing about this lesson is called grand contest. Grand contest in the forest. Grand contest in the forest. Okay, I hope so you are understanding this concept. So first of all, for every lesson, concept understanding is most important. Before going into the lesson, concept understanding is most important. Thematic idea. Okay, before going to lesson, if you have this basic idea, then only you can able to understand the lesson. Okay, so this is a C reading. This is a C reading. Up till now, A reading and B reading poem has been completed. Now this is a C reading. Okay, so this is a grand contest in the forest. So with this preparation, the grand contest has been started in the forest. Now we shall see. So what type of animals, what type of creatures, and what type of birds, what type of trees will have their own preparations, we shall see. Okay. So first of all, one of the tree called laburnum. One of the tree called laburnum. Laburnum. What this was saying, we shall say. So I will shine like sparkling sunshine, said the laburnum. I will shine like sparkling sunshine. Sparkling means twinkling. Sparkling means twinkling. So twinkling sunshine. How the sun will shine? Okay, in the middle of the day, in the midday, around 12 to 2, how the sun will shine. So like that, it will this laburnum. So laburnum will be shining, it seems. Okay, say the laburnum. So what is this laburnum tree means? This laburnum means one of the small yellowish flowers. Small and long yellowish flowers. Okay, so this is one of the beautiful flower. If you see on the highways of any roads, you might be seeing, or beside the highways also, you people might be seeing this type of flowers or trees. Okay, so these are the small yellowish flowers. Okay, so these flowers will be always in the bunch, always in a groups. Okay, not a single flower will be there. So on the tree. So if any branch is having one flower, means there will be a bunch of this laburnum flowers. Okay, like that it will be. So this flower, what it was saying, so I will shine like a sparkling sunshine, like that this was saying. Next coming to the gulmohar. Gulmohar is also one of the tree, one of the flower of a flower tree. Okay, so one of the tree which grows gulmohar flowers. Okay, these flowers will be somewhat brown and brown reddish. Okay, not brown, orange, reddish. Okay, reddish orange. Okay, so these are the gulmohar flowers. Okay, reddish flowers. Okay, this will be. Okay, this and also how these flowers will be means, suppose if you have seen a rising sun at early morning, if you see the rising sun, before rising there will be somewhat red color. Okay, before rising there will be somewhat red color. So that type of color will be reddish orange. Okay, that type of color will be having for this gulmohar flowers. Okay, what these gulmohar flowers are saying, we shall say. Okay, Gulmohar said, I will dress myself so that I look like the early morning sun, golden red, spreading radiance. Okay, I will dress myself so that I will look like the early morning rising sun. Okay, whenever the sun is rising at the early morning, so that type of color I will produce and I will spread the radiance. Okay, radiance means by looking that flower, everyone should attract that flower, it seems. Okay, so that type of fragrance, that type of smell, it will be it will produce, it seems. So when the great one has been landed on the earth or forest. Okay, next one more. After flowers, the animals started. Bear, animals, in the animals, what the bear was saying. Bear. Okay, so I will offer the best honey I can find. I will offer the best honey. So whatever the best honey, wherever the best honey means, okay, wherever the honey is grown, that honey I will produce the best quality honey. I will produce to the great one, it seems. So by tasting my honey only, it may praise me. So this great one may give gift to me, like that this bear was saying. Okay, next. After this, next coming to the elephant. So what this elephant said, we shall see. Okay, the elephant said, I will get the best fruit, so fresh it would still be on the branches, and lay them at her feet. Okay, generally the elephants, some of the tall elephants will be. So whatever what this elephant was saying, it is saying that it will pluck the fresh fruits. So whichever the fruits are still on the branches, so as soon as the great one came to my great one's chance came to me, so I will pluck one of the beautiful fruit, one of the fresh fruit, so directly, and I will offer and I will lay the fruit on the feet of the great one. It was saying, okay, on the great one's feet means the legs. Okay, so whatever we are walking, so those are called feet. Okay, on the foot, so on the foot of the great one, I will keep the fresh fruits which are still there on the branches. So at the time, as soon as appear, she will keep this elephant will keep that one, it seems. Okay, like that this elephant was saying. Next, what about other? So everyone, like this, everyone became very much happy, and everyone became very much wonderful. Okay, so the total climate was becoming somewhat wonderful. Okay, so everyone was very much busy in their own preparations. So like this, in their own preparation they are busy, but except one creature, almost all the creatures, all the animals were being busy, except one little creature. And what is that little creature means? Means the little grey squirrel. Little grey squirrel. Okay, except this little grey squirrel. Squirrel means, okay, in Telugu we will call as Udutta. Okay, so except this little grey squirrel, so everyone are busy and everyone has been prepared very much. Okay, so this little squirrel went into the sadness. It was thinking about all the members' preparations. So what it was thinking means, so even till now I don't have anything to offer to the great one. So as a little gray colored squirrel, so what I can offer to the great one. So like that it was going into the sadness. I hope so you are understanding. So here, so after that, what other creatures, what other flowers are saying, we shall see. Okay, see the palash. Next one is palash. Palash is also one of the flower only. Okay, So this palace flowers actually these are sacred flowers. Sacred flowers means which are worshipping flowers. So most of the members will worship to the gods. Okay, gods or goddesses. So palace flowers. Once if you search in the Google means you can able to see. So these palace flowers are worshipping flowers. So to the deities, whoever the deities are they worshipping to their own gods, so they will worship with this type of flowers. Okay, these flowers will be somewhat long and thin, long it will be. Okay, this palace, this color is orange color. Color is orange red, mixing of orange and red. So that type of color it will be. Okay, so this palace, what it was saying means the forest will be ablaze with my beauty. Though late, I will save some flowers. Okay, so even even though I am growing very late, so I will by some time I will produce a blaziness. I will produce a blaziness in the forest. So that means brightness. So it will produce a brightness in the forest it seems. So same like a gulmohar flower. So same like a gulmohar flower, this palace will also it will produce the a brightness in the forest. Okay, like that it was saying. And though early, and what this Gulmohar said, and though early, I will make some flowers bloom. So Gulmohar, so it will be opening flowers. So it will open very widely. Okay, after growing it as a full flower, it will grow. These flowers will grow very widely. Okay, this Gulmohar is saying that and though early, I will make some flowers bloom. Okay, bloom means spreading like this. Okay, spreading very widely. Okay, like that it was saying. Okay, next, the beautiful trees and creatures had started competing and fighting. Okay, every animal, creature, forest, flowers, everything is getting competing. Okay. So if I am good means I am the best. I am the best means I am the best, like that. Every creature, every living and non-living things every living things, every trees and creatures, all the animals are making a competition in between among themselves. Okay. Next, what mango said means my mangoes are ready, said the mango tree. So next, mango tree said that my mangoes are ready, it is saying. Okay, so fresh mango trees are there, its mangoes are there, it seems. So if the great one chance was came to me means I will offer some my fresh mangoes, like that this mango tree was saying. Okay, next, peacock. Coming to the peacock. So what the peacock said? What the peacock said means emeralds and turquoises are my feathers. Okay, so what see, emeralds emeralds and turquoises. So emeralds means so whatever the in the peacock feathers you will be seeing some of the eyes. Okay, in between the feathers you will be seeing eye structure. Okay, so those are called emeralds. And turquoises means green blue feathers. All the feathers are called turquoises. Okay, the full feathers. Okay, the full feathers which is having the green blue color. So those feathers are called turquoises. Emeralds means in the feather there will be at the middle part there will be eye structure. Okay, that eye structure is called emerald. Okay, so what this peacock is saying, emeralds and turquoises are my feathers. So I will produce the beauty from my emeralds and turquoises, it is saying. So peacock is saying like that. Okay, next, after peacock lark. Lark is also one of the singing bird. So if you type in the Google means you can see the picture of this bird. Okay, lark. So this bird it was thrilled. What it was saying means, I will sing a song beautiful and moving. So while moving only, I will sing a song. Okay, so to have a good appreciation from the great one. So continuously I can sing a song while moving also, like that this lark was saying. Okay, next, after this, dove, the bird dove. So what this dove was saying? So dove cooed, saying the great one would love her soft notes. So dove means it will produce a soft notes. So in the early morning or at early evening times, the dove bird will be making some soft notes. Okay, like coo like that. Okay, so this dove, this great one will appreciate my soft notes, like that it was saying. So this dove was also saying. So like this, see the gift. So after this, what happens? Gifts and beauty abound. Gifts and beauty abound. Okay. So gifts and beauty abound, thought the squirrel in despair. So what this? So coming to the squirrel, what it was thinking means, gifts and beauty was abound. Abound means spreaded widely. Spreading, spread widely. Spread widely. So abound means spreading widely. So it was spread all over the forest. So gifts and beauty. So all the beautiness was spread in the beauty. Okay, in the forest. Sorry. So like this squirrel was thinking in a sadness. Thinking in a sadness. Despair means sadness. Okay, despair means sadness. Okay, next, he thought and thought, but I will do what I can do best. He decided. He found hollow branches and filled them with as many nuts and seeds of different trees as he could find. Okay, finally he after a deep thinking of this little squirrel, he got an idea. So what it got? Okay, whatever the work I will do as myself, so that type of that work only I will produce. So to the great one, like that he was saying. So within moments, what this little squirrel done? So he found some of the hollow branches. So hollow branches means very small branches. He found some of the small branches. Hollow means very small. Okay, very small branches. He took those branches, and after that he took so many nuts and so many seeds. So nuts and seeds, okay, seeds means vitana. Okay, so many nuts and seeds he took, and he has put them in the ground. Okay, so whatever that means, simply if you want to say, he has harvested this all the seeds. Okay, seed harvesting, like he has cultivated the seeds in the inside the ground. Okay, he digged the ground and he kept all the nuts and seeds inside inside the ground. Okay, so like that he has done. Okay, next, after that everything was completed. So the next day, so the great one has started to come. So the great one has came to the landed on the earth, landed in the forest of earth. Okay, so what happened we shall see. The next day everyone was ready. The great one came. The air became soft and balmy. The streams tinkled as they tumbled over little rocks. So as the great one was coming, so the climate is also giving one of the signals. So how the signals are coming? So air become very calm and balmy. So very calm and soft. Okay. Balmy, B-A-L-M-I. Balmy means very calm. Okay. It became very calm and soft. Okay. After that, the rivers. So whatever the river streams will be there, no. So the water is going. So that water, while it was tinkling to the rocks, it is making as a tumble sound. Okay. It is producing some of the sounds. Okay, like that it was going. So great one, here is my gift, said each, laying the gifts at her feet. So after everyone had given their gifts, the great one looked at the little grey squirrel and asked the little one, why are you quiet? So like that it was asking. So after the arrival of this great one, so what everyone, every creature, every animal, all are ready with their own presentation, own beautiness. So everyone laid means to put very sacredly, that means in the name of worshipness. So they kept all their beautiness at the foot of this great one. Okay, so like this everyone kept. So like this great one also looked at everyone. So while this great one was looking to every animal, so everyone kept their beautiness. But by looking to this little grey squirrel, it was not offering anything. So this great one got a doubt and asked to this little grey squirrel, so why you are not offering anything to me? So don't you prepare anything? Like that it was asking. So for that what it replied means, see, I have nothing grand to offer you. I don't glow or sing, but what I have I give with my heart. And he scampered away. He returned, dragging his dry branches. The great one looked grave. Okay. So as by asking that question, so what this little squirrel said, little grey squirrel said, I have nothing grand to offer you, like this peacocks, like this gulmohar plant flowers, or any laburnum flowers, like that. I don't have anything beautiness to offer to you. Also, I don't sing. I don't even sing like lark or dove, like that, any animal. Okay, and I don't offer any fruits also. Okay, like any trees or anything. Okay, but whatever I am doing, whatever the work I am doing, so that one only I will provide to you, like that it was saying. Okay, that one only I will provide to you, like that it said. And it was it went far away to one of the place to bring whatever the work it has done. Okay, whatever the work it has done, so it was going to bring that one. So at the time, see, and he scampered away. Scampered. So the meaning of scampered. Scamper. So what is the meaning of scamper? Scamper means to run fastly, to run quickly, okay. So it ran very quickly, and what it brought, he was dragging some of the dry branches, and this great one was looking very gravely, very seriously and focusingly it was looking. So what this little squirrel was doing about making with this dry branches, it was looking, this great one was looking seriously. Then what happens here? I see beauty in form and sound. All waited holding their breath, but the prize goes to the grey squirrel. So by bringing that branch, what this grey squirrel said, I see beauty in form and sound, okay. here this in form and sound means it is one of the phrase and it is having one of the internal meaning. Okay, so what is that internal meaning means here form and sound means in its growingness, in its growthness. Okay, suppose if any if a plant if we produce, suppose if we cultivate the seeds of any branch or any tree, so with that only we can with after few days or after few months or after few years, so we can able to see the new plant or new seed or new fruit like that. That is the meaning of this form and sound. Okay, form and sound means not a sounds. Okay, form and sound means growing the next generation creatures or next generation trees. Okay, like that. This is a this little gray squirrel has been said. Okay, for that after completing everything, so everyone was holding their breaths. Okay, waiting for the result from the great one. So finally, what happened? So. But the prize goes to the gray squirrel, for I can use the seeds and sow them and sow them. The new life will burst forth. Trees will bear more fruit. So it is a gift not only for today but also for all our tomorrows. So by seeing this results, this great one decided to offer the prize to this little gray squirrel. So why means so every animal every creature has been prepared by their own self, but this gray squirrel it thought for a while and it decided to grow some other new branches or new trees or new flowers for the next generation persons, for the future generation purposes. Okay, like that. So this great one offered the prize to this gray squirrel. Okay, and next, the creatures then marveled, saying, marveled means everyone everyone was pleasured, every creature, every thing, every tree, creature and animals has become very much pleasant to the work of this little gray squirrel. And what they say, how foolish we were to think only of the present. So every animal and everything has been thought only for the present. So no one thought for the future. But this little gray squirrel thought for the future. Okay, if it sow the seeds and nuts means in the future generations or in the future creatures may take those fruits and everything. Okay, like that every animal was decided to give the happiness to the squirrel, and 3 chips for the little squirrel. So every creature appreciated the work of a squirrel, and finally this squirrel has got the prize from the great one. Okay, from the Lord great one. Okay, I hope so you have understood this lesson very easily. Okay, so now after completion of this lesson, a small question I want to give from this lesson. You try to do that, try to write that question as a homework. Okay. First one. Who won the prize? Who won the prize in the contest? In the contest in forest. In the contest in forest. This is a question. So why did the great one, why did the great one selected that creature, why did the great one selected that creature as a winner, okay, this one. So only one question I am giving as a homework. So what is the question? Who won the prize in the contest in the forest, in the grand contest in the forest? So who won? So just suppose any creature won means you write the creature won the prize in the contest in the forest. And why did the great one selected that creature as a winner? So okay, you have to write the reason for the prize winning. Okay, for the prize winning of that creature. So why that creature only? Why that animal only got the prize from the great one? You have to write that one. Okay. So this is only one answer I am giving. So try to write this answer as a homework, and I hope so. You have to keep this homework in the group. Okay. So in the next class we shall start with the grammar and vocabulary part of this unit. Okay. So till now we have completed the unit exercises. Okay, unit explanations. So now we have to go on with the grammar part and exercise part from this unit. Okay. So thank you for attending my class, children. Have a good day, children. Thank you.